Eastern Cape Primier Oscar Mabuyane welcomes members of SANDF at Cecilia Makhiwane Hospital to assist healthcare workers to fight against COVID-19. These military health services officials from the National Defence Force were deployed to the province following Premier Mabuyane's request to the national government for them to assist the province to flatten the curve against COVID-19.
Lo ngqubana nokufika kwamajoni ebesiwacelile kupresident ba azosincedisa kumsebenzi ebesiubona nokuqhwalela kwemeko yenkonzo ebezinikezelwa abantwini kwezempilo. Asebenzile amajoni ephayebhayi. Injongo zethu ukuzisa lamajoni kukuzonhlanhlatha amadolo nabasebenzi bethu ngexesha loba besibabona ukuba banako ukungevezela amadolo, banako ukothuka, banako ukoyika ngenxa yale ntsholongwane esiyibonayo. Iyoyikisa yona wonke umuntu uyoyika. Abantu abaninzi abantu abatsha and abayiqhelanga zange ibekho into yokuba ubukela abantu abaswelekayo probably almost every day. So ukufika kwalamajoni kuzosinceda kakhulu.
The military health services officials started assisting at Nelson Mandela Metro. SANDF commander of the members who are deployed in the province, Brigadier General Mayenzeke Batanda, says they are pleased to be part of the healthcare workers of the Eastern Cape province to fight against COVID-19.
We're not here to take the work of the nurses and the doctors that are employed by the Department of Health, but we are here as our mandate as the South African National Defence Force people. We are employed to defend this country, to assist any department that need assistance at any given time.
CEO of Cecilia Makhiwane Hospital, Cecilia Makhiwane says they believe that the assistance of the military health services officials will have a positive impact in the fight against COVID-19.
Si management yalapha eMakhiwane into kokuba sifumane abantu abazokusincedisa ngelixesha lale pandemic ye COVID ngelilixa kanye abanye babasebenzi bengekho beko on isolation, so sicinga into kokuba ukufika kwabo kuzawuba ne positive results.
Zipho Sikaba for Taxi Image News, Danzane, Cecilia Makhiwane Hospital.